Okay, so you probably don't want to record a whole video and then find out the audio doesn't work. So one tip for you to check this and to make sure it sounds good is when you open the program, you'll get this little box right here and you go to narration. You'll see the little microphone sign here. And you open this up and it asks you to select microphone. So I check the Realtek High. And when I open that up, it'll give me the chance to auto adjust the volume. So I press that and try that out for a little bit so it can just have a sense of my voice and what it needs to do to make sure it records well. And I'm just going to make sure it records because I'm very paranoid. I don't want to do a 10-minute lecture and then not have it work. So then I go to record. Hello, I'm going to talk to you today about paragraph structure. And then you can play it back. Hello, I'm going to talk to you today about paragraph structure. And that sounds great, except like most people, I hate the sound of my voice. And then you press OK, and then you're good to go. And I just have this Wolfman on the screen because instead of working on the paragraph structure video, I was trying to overdub something funny to the original Wolfman video. Anyway, I hope that helps you with your Screencast-o-Matic.